Hi guys, I'm K9 Crooner Austin here, and today I am going to open this box. Let's open it and see what's inside. Oh my gosh, I got the singing white dog. It's a Santa Paws singing white dog. He's really cute.
It's finally Christmas.
Oh, he works. His head is her head is not moving. Oh, now her head is moving. Wow. She works really good. Yep, and here is this thing, and it says K9 Crooners on it. She's really cute. She sings Deck the Halls, and this one's made by Trademax. Trademax is a company. Yep. It looks like, this dog looks like a Westie or a Scotty dog. It might be a Westie. Yep, so here's the toy that I got today. So goodbye and have a great day.